I was having trouble. So we'll see how I'm gonna stand up a little bit. See how just. Oh, there's a deer! Yo! Hello guys, New Hampshire Outdoors here today. I'm back with another video. Today, I'm gonna be riding my bike on a trail. It's a forest reservation. And as you can see, we are here. We're gonna be going down here, probably by this water. We're gonna go on around the Merrimack, around here, and back where we came from. So that would be the plan, I think, for us. Conquer New Hampshire. You can see, this is the bike I'm gonna be taking. It's an electric bike. I really don't know the brand. It's pretty. Have these nice big tires. As you can see, 100 miles on it, on the dot. So this would be like a 100-mile update, I guess. And yeah, let's start getting on the road, the trail. Okay, let's get it. See, we're on my bike. And yeah, let's start going. I took a picture of it. So I'm not lost. I've never been here. Actually been here once. You see there's some water right here. But the trail starts over here. So I go. This is the trail, so let's get it. I don't know if I'm gonna do the whole trail. As you can see, welcome to the Merrimack River floodplain. This land is available for your enjoyment through the generous donation of blah 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 and Conquer Lumber Co. That's how you have the protection of New Hampshire forests. So yeah, trail map, box take one. Let's see, because I've never been here, so just no trail map. Okay, I took a picture, so I don't know if we're gonna go the whole trail. I don't wanna make this video too long for you guys. And yeah, let's start going. I think we're just gonna go alongside the Merrimack River, and then so you guys can get nice views, and then we'll see from there. I might be doing this, start doing this pretty often because it's very nice weather now. And if I'm not traveling or anything, of course, because I'm probably gonna be traveling a bit during the summer. As you can see, a first nice place. There's probably bass in here. Could probably bring my rod sometimes. Anyways, let's get back. So I'm not going to be going really fast because I'm not trying to fall. I'm going to try to be enjoying the life. I think I'm going to go. Okay, so this is yellow. Let me check my phone real quick. So we were here, we went down, and I think this is now where it splits, because there's that pond. I'm just gonna keep going straight, I think, and we'll see where we're going. But yeah, we've been having, I think we had this electric bike for a year or two now, maybe. It's only 100 miles because, to be honest, I haven't been really riding it since I got my license. Because I don't know if I didn't have time or I just never had the feeling to go. See, this is the other way to go, but just gonna keep going straight and follow yellow. But that's yellow too. Hold on, I don't get this map. Or maybe I can just can't read the map. And there's boom. Okay, and then I think we're now here. There's two. Just keep going straight. Why not? Just keep going straight for now. And we'll see. What trail is that? It's yellow too. We're gonna keep going straight. I know if we keep going straight, we're gonna get some by. We're gonna get by some water. So, see, there's another sign over there. Let's see what this is. This is probably the map. Is it still yellow? What? I don't get this. Okay. Okay. Oh, there we go. What is this? So now we are here. Oh damn. Now we're just gonna go. Let's go this way and then right. But here it's the Merrimack River. You can tell there's people over here, but we're gonna go right. I think here. We're gonna go right here. You can see there's some beaches. Oh, nice. Let's see this map. Right. So let's keep going right, straight, and come back and go this way. Let's do that. So yeah, like I said, this is gonna be. Oh shoot! There's a tire string. I keep getting lost right back. So yeah, this is Merrimack River. I believe I drove here, like I rode the kayak here once, and I think I did. Yeah, I remember now. I did. I think there might be a video on YouTube, but I'm not sure. I don't want to say there is, if there's not, you know. But you can see here, it's gonna keep going straight. There's people in front of us, so I don't know. So we should. Let's see. I think this is most like a walking trail, to be honest, if I'm gonna be honest with you. But it's a nice trail, you know. Oh, and they're swimming. People are swimming. Okay, let's let them swim. And let's go the other side way. Let's go the other way. It's not bad to swim. Nice day to swim. I think this part right here, I think is this part, and then you turn back around. Let's just go back that way. Let's go back this way. The dog is. Go this way. And there's people jumping. I don't want. I'm gonna be quiet here because I don't want to disturb. Now we can stop talking. That dog's supposed to be on the leash, but it's not, but it's fine. Just gonna go this way now. And just keep going straight. Just see what's over here. But I did go over here with my friend Abu. He moved, sadly. But we had normal bikes. I didn't have an electric bike. So it's pretty. It felt longer, to be honest with you. But, you know. Alright, okay. There's another lookout area. Let's go check this out. I'm just checking for this place out. So let's see where I can. You can see. This is all Merrimack River. I could actually come fishing. I'm gonna bring my fishing rod. Okay, see if I can turn around without. There you go. I mean, yeah, it's a very nice place. Let's go. Come on, I bought these big ass tires. I'm gonna use them. Okay. Let's keep going straight. Just give it gas a little bit. And straight away. See, the motor. I don't know if the motor is so loud or how the video is gonna be, how the audio is gonna be. So I'm really sorry about that. If it's not, you can't hear me good. I'll see when I edit the video. Yeah, I've been trying to do more fishing videos. Look how beautiful this is. And guys, we're still in Concord. I'm going to show you guys the temperature right now. I have on my phone. It's 74, as you can see. I don't know if you can see that. It's 74. I'm going to keep going straight. There's another tree over there. which we're probably gonna go after. But I'm just gonna keep going straight over here to see. But yeah, I haven't really. Me and my friend made a biking channel, but we haven't really posted anything on it. We posted something like just customizing his bike, because we were gonna like open, like not open, but like buy bikes, free bikes on marketplace, and customize them and sell them. But we didn't really have the chance to do that because he moved like unexpectedly. Not really unexpectedly, like I knew he was moving, but I didn't know when he was moving. See, it's all like some habitat area over here. It's like a nature preserve. I don't know how to explain it. See, there's another spot right here too. It's chill. That's it. See, that dog is on leash, which is good. Yeah, as you can see, I'll be back. As you can see here, I don't know if you can see that, it says 0. That's how much. If I want, I could pedal the motor not to be on. Like I could pedal, as you can see. But and so no help. One, you know, it's a little bit better, but when I start pedaling, it's gonna start. See the motor starting. I don't know if you hear it. And then with 2, I stop completely. And it goes faster. And then 3. See, if I go in the highest setting, which is 5, watch how instant I go. Ready? I'm not even gonna press this button. I'm gonna instantly go. You know, that's pretty. That's pretty dangerous for a spot like this. Oh, I don't know where I'm going, but we'll see together. See another spot right there. Keep going straight down this. Ooh. I hope my camera's angle is good, guys. Ooh. Oh. Ooh. Nice little. I know this spot. Every time when me and my family would go kayaking, we would go here because this is like the most shallowest part of the water. So we would go over here. Oh, I'm in some mud. Fine. Let's see where we are now. Well, I kind of want to go do this pond right here where it says Eastman Cove. Kind of want to see what that looks like. So let's keep going. You know, why not? I was gonna go to this another trail like behind my old elementary school. I was gonna go to this trail behind my elementary school, but I think I'm gonna leave that for when I go with my friend. He's been in the soccer video. The first soccer one. And speaking of soccer, the second episode should be coming out soon, maybe probably after this one. I've just been really busy, school, and I just graduated, so I have more time on my hands. Of course, this is a little bit. So I guess here I have to go slow. I don't know where I'm going, but it's nice trail. You know, it's beautiful. You go by the water. Probably gonna wash the tires after I come back. Oh, touchdown. I know this part would be muddy, to be honest. As you can see how beautiful. Just, hey, we might have to stop. Actually, we can go around. Probably be able to go around right here. Oh, shoot. That's probably muddy over there. It's pretty muddy, but I have to go around. So, yep, it's muddy. My foot slipped, but let me put my phone. But I think this is Eastwood, Eastman Marsh, not Eastman. I don't know how to explain it. It's the thing that I want to go. I forgot the name of it. But I think that's it. I think I should be going back soon. It's getting muddy. We're heading back right now. Because I don't know, it's just too very muddy. I just don't like it, how muddy it is. And I don't have the right shoes. As you can see on my feet, I don't know if you can see on my feet, but I think I have these fat tires on. If I had my old bike, my old bike was a road bike, so it wasn't made for this stuff. So, no, I have to go over this again. Oh, I think I'm supposed to go straight. Oh, actually, I think there's two ways. This way is probably less muddy. Yeah, but for the soccer videos, while I head back, I'm gonna try and do them often. I just haven't gone. I don't think I've been for like a month now. So I was gonna go this week on Friday, but I forgot. I'm gonna be traveling, so I can't. That should be the last vlog. That should be fine now. But anyways, I wanted to post the second episode soon, like right after, like a week after, like I made it. Thing was, to be honest, I just didn't want to have two videos about the same thing next to each other. I don't know, it just doesn't look really professional to me. Let's go. And so I didn't want, but I'm gonna post this probably in front of it. I think I'm gonna start heading back. To this part, and then go that way. Then go this way, and then just go back. I think that would be the end. Because I don't know, it's just a little bit too muddy. And, you know. Let's see, let's figure it out. Go a little bit faster so you guys can enjoy it. Sharp turns. Pretty sharp turns. See, I messed up with that turn, but it's fine. We keep moving. I recorded. I just thought about that. Because so I know where to take you guys, where's the nice spots. But along this Merrimack River, it's probably one of the nicest spots. You know, it's fun too. I might take you guys on some road action too. We'll see. But yeah, I think we're gonna start heading back where we came from. But I should take it from there somewhere, to be honest. I just don't know where. Chipmunk. Oh, I should not hit that. That was too loud. Oh shoot, I'm gonna pick up my kickstand. That would be not good. To the tiny drift right there. Yeah. Tokyo drift, baby. I'm joking. So let's keep going. I'm gonna be quiet now so you guys can enjoy. Change my camera angle a little bit. and then do some road riding, and then we call it a video. Just don't want this video to be too long. They're still over there. The guy's still over there. That's still where we came from. Go this way. I was gonna go out that way. I didn't see that. Whoop, there was. Damn, there's a lot of roots in the ground. And you and then, guys, the video and on the trail. Let's see. And now let's go do some road riding. Let's call it a video. That's my first real test on how it does on going up hills, because I remember when I went here with my cousin, not my cousin, my friend, and I was having troubles. So we'll see how I'm gonna stand up a little bit, see how this goes. Oh, there's a deer! Yo! There's a deer right there. No way. I don't know if I caught that on camera, but there's actually a deer. God, that's sick. I wish I got that. I don't know if I got that on video. I'm gonna play it back and edit it. Hopefully I did. Wow. I wish someone so I can catch them back. Wow. And oh wow, that was easy. A little bit more, but come on, too easy for me. Too easy. It's pretty loud. I'm going this speed, but and this trail is like 5 minutes away with bike, or maybe it's 8. It's say 6 to 8 minutes with a bike. With this, it's 2 minutes, obviously. But yeah, if you guys want to see more biking videos, let me know in the comments. I'm gonna find trails around Concord, maybe some, and we'll see. This is the main road. This is East Side Drive. It's the main road, one of the main roads in Concord. Oh, zooming now. So if you guys hear a lot of wind, I can't change that. Trying to get the dirt off the tires. Let's go another way. Why not? Shall we do some On road. Just some on road. A little bit more on road. If I kept on going straight, that would have been too quick of the video. Because from there was like 1 minute too. So we can go take a little bit of a detour. Actually, I might show you guys where the next trail video, biking video might be, where I'm at it. While we're here. Oh shoot. I realize it's still school time, so I shouldn't maybe. What time is it? Yeah, I think it's still school time, so maybe not. But behind these schools, I have to go sometime during the weekend. But yeah, it's over here though. Go over here. Let's see, it's closed during school hours, and it's school hours right now, so I shouldn't go back there. No. But that's where it's probably gonna be. Look left, look right, look left, look right, look down, and go. Whee! Whee! I'm always pedaling, I'm not, I'm joking. Over here is really nice to drive. It's like some hills, some nice houses. And I believe where I used to live, there was some trailers. I used to live in apartments when I was like 5 years old, 4 maybe. And I believe there was trailers behind the apartments. I'm gonna go check that on my own time. I'm going 30 miles per hour right now. At my street, I'm gonna end it. Actually, nah, I'm just gonna go to some random street and end it, to be honest. Yeah. So I want to thank all you guys for watching. It's been fun recording. To be honest, it's been fun. I'm gonna show you guys my bike again. The headlight right there. That montage movement. Let's check my tires, see if it's. That's good. But yeah, that'll be it for the video. Sorry for my hair, I had my headband on. But yeah, that'll be it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hey, let me know if you guys like it, dislike it. Let me know if you guys dislike it. I'm not gonna do these videos, but you know, that was a nice small share, you know, just to get it going. Of course, I'm probably gonna go better trails for you guys. But it's really nice, you know. We were by the Merrimack River. There's some mud. And yeah, we did some road riding. It was fun. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy.